Hey guys, welcome to Tools and Two, where we create tool reviews in 2 minutes or less to help your buying decisions. Today I'm looking at a Fireball Tool Mega Square. This is meant as a welding square, but you could use it for a lot of different things as well for setting pieces up. In this case, this is the smaller, the 8-inch cast iron piece. Nice little tool. It is 8-inch wide, 8-inch tall by 1.5-inch thick. Same thickness as the Minion Squares, so a nice combination with those for smaller setups. This piece is really cool because you can do 90-degree insets in the middle with plenty of room to weld. You can do a 90 here as well with plenty of room to weld on the inside, or you can do 45-degree setups on the outside as well. Of course, you can do 90s out here as well, so there are lots of different ways you can set this up and use it as a nice tool. I've used it as just a square during setup as well, alongside the Minions, which are really nice, good little setup. So this piece, really well made. It looks like the fit and finish was just sped up a little bit compared to some of the Minions, but still beautifully made. This thing is a lifetime tool, and I'm going to pass this down to my kids. Overall, you can see the machining marks. This is machined flat. It's got a bunch of inserts here. It comes with clamps so you can hold things flat as this front reference surface. That's really nice. One thing I will point out, these casting marks, this is the surface cast openings for the different clamps here. These are not quite as cleanly cut out as the ones on the Minion Square. You can see these are a little bit more regular. Doesn't really matter, that's purely aesthetic. This surface is flat, the proper surfaces are flat, and this is just a reference to going for clamps. So really nice piece. Again, I'd give this an 8 out of 10. They're a little expensive to get all the ones you need, but overall really cool piece.